Hi everyone. In this lecture, we will learn how the subtraction of signed numbers is performed in computer systems using 2's complement method. Let's start with the basic rules for the subtraction of signed numbers. In binary arithmetic, the subtraction is performed using the 2's complement method. The first step is to represent both numbers in binary form, including its sign bit. Then we have to take the 2's complement of the number that is being subtracted and then add it to another number. For example, if the operation is A minus B, then 2's complement of minus B should be found. This B, 2's complement of B should be found out, and that should be added up with another number A. This is how the subtraction is done. Third step is, after performing step 2, if there is a carry out of sign bit, then we need to ignore it. Fourth step, finally we have to check for the overflow. If both the numbers have a different signs, overflow cannot occur. If both the numbers have the same sign but the result has an opposite sign, overflow is said to occur. These are the rules for the subtraction of signed numbers. Now let's look at an example. Subtract plus 5 and plus 3 using 4-bit signed numbers. First, we have to represent both the numbers in binary form. So plus 5 is written in binary form as a 4-bit signed number. Okay, so it is 0101, where the most significant bit is a sign bit. And plus 3 is represented as a 4-bit signed number 0011, where the most significant bit is a sign bit. 0 is a sign bit that represents a positive number. Here both the numbers are positive, plus 5 and plus 3. So the sign bit of both the numbers in the 4-bit binary representation is 0. 2 is we have to take the 2's complement of the number that is being subtracted. Here the number we are going to subtract is 3. Okay, so we have to write the 2's complement of 3, that is step 2. Okay, so that the plus 3 in binary form, let us write its positive value. Okay, so how we represent the plus 3 in binary is 0011. This is the sign bit representation, that is a signed number representation of plus 3. Now this is a 1's complement form. Okay, so where we are inverting each and every bit. 0 is inverted as 1, 0 is inverted as 1, this 1 is inverted as 0, and this 1 is inverted as 0. This is said to be the 1's complement representation. As we all know, 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. So here we are identifying the 1's complement and we are adding up 1. So the result is 1101. So 1's complement is 1100. With this we add a 1, so that the result is 1101. So this is a 2's complement value of plus 3. So the 2's complement value of plus 3 is 1101, which represents minus 3 in 2's complement form. This is step 2. And step 3 is to perform the binary addition. Here what we are going to add is, the operation to be done is, we are going to subtract 3 from 5. So for 3 we have found the 2's complement representation, which is 1101. So that we need to write here. So the plus 5 value is written here and the 2's complement value of plus 3 is written here, that is 1101. We have found out in the step 2. We have to do the normal binary addition, that we will get 10010. Here 4-bit numbers, and the result we are getting a 5th bit, that is said to be the carry out. If carry out is there, as per the rules for the binary subtraction, carry out should be ignored. So we are ignoring the carry out, and remaining 4 bits is the result. Here the sign bit is 0. And the final step is to check the overflow. As per the rules of overflow, it is said if both the numbers are having a different sign, then overflow cannot occur. Okay, so the thing is, here both the numbers are having a different sign. The first number plus 5, the sign bit is 0, and the second number sign bit is 1. So here, in this case, the first number plus 5 has a sign bit as 0, and the second number, after converting into 2's complement form, its sign bit is 1. Since the operands have different signs, overflow does not occur. Okay, so this is how the binary subtraction is performed in using 2's complement method. Thank you.